Hello students, let's start today assignment problem. It is a special case of linear programming problem in which the objective is to find the optimum allocation of a number of tasks or jobs to an equal number of persons at a minimum cost or maximum profit. Right. For example, a departmental head may have 4 persons available for assignment and 4 jobs to fill. Right. Then his interest is to find the best assignment which will be in the best interest of the department. So in assignment problem is used in allocation. We may take another example like in assigning person to works, truck or cars or drivers to different routes, planes to different commercial flights, etc. So wherever there is a need of allocations of persons or different services to the different jobs, assignment problem is a very helpful tool of operation research. Right. The next is suppose there are n jobs to be performed and n persons are available for doing these jobs. Assume each person can do each job at a time with a varying degree of efficiency. Let Cij be the cost of I person assigned to the jth job. Then the problem is to find an assignment so that the total cost for performing all jobs is minimum. Such problems are known as assignment problems, right? These problems may consist of assigning man to offices, classes to the rooms or problems to the research team, etc. Alright. Now, mathematical formulation of assignment problem. Mathematical problem can be stated as minimize the total cost, that is Z, right? There is a matrix is given C11, C12, C13 up to C1 and C21, C22, C23 up to C and so on, Cn1, Cn2, Cn3, Cn, right? So the objective function is minimize cost is Z is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n, summation j equal to 1 to n Cij into Xij, where I is equal to 1 2 up to n, j is also equal to 1 2 up to n, right? Here I denotes the number of rows whereas j denotes the number of columns, right? Subject to restrictions Xij is equal to, उसकी दो conditions होंगी, right? One, if I person is assigned jth job and 0 if not, right? Subject to the conditions, first summation I is equal to 1 to n, Xij is equal to 1, only one person should be assigned to the jth job, that is j is equal to 1 to up to n. Second, j is equal to 1 to n, Xij is equal to 1, that is one job is done by the ith person, that is I is equal to 1 to up to n, where Xij denotes that jth job is to be assigned to the ith person, or you can say I person can do only the jth job. Alright. Algorithm for assignment problem. Now there is only one method to solve the assignment problem, that is known as Hungarian method, as it was found out by the Hungarian. As we were discussed the previous topic, transportation problem, there were 3 methods to find the basic feasible solution, but in this topic in assignment problem there is only one method, Hungarian, and which is very easy to understand. Step number first, subtract the minimum of each row of the effectiveness matrix, that is row reduced matrix. Step number 2, further modify the matrix by subtracting the minimum element from each column. Number 3, draw the minimum number of horizontal and vertical lines, right? so that number of lines will be capital. And step number 4, determine the smallest element in the matrix, subtract the minimum element from all uncovered elements, add in the intersection, and the covered will remain same. Now, step number 5, repeat step number 3 and 4 until minimum number of lines become equal to number of rows of the given matrix, that is capital N is equal to small n. Right, again this is an iterative procedure, since we will repeat the same step till the time optimum solution has been obtained. Right, step number 6, mark 0 assignment. 7, repeat step number 6 successively until any of the following two situations arise. First, if no unmarked 0 is left, then process. And second, if there lies more than one of the unmarked 0 in any row or column, then mark one of the unmarked zeros and mark a cross in the cell of the remaining zeros. Step number 8, exactly one marked 0 in each row and each column of the matrix is obtained. The assignment corresponding to these marked zeros will give the optimal assignment. Step number 7, we have already covered in the previous slide this one. Now let's take an example of related to the assignment problem. There is a problem is given here in the row you are observing task is written. Task is A, B, C and D. And in the column subordinate, that is persons, are given 1, 2, 3, 4. So the main difference between the assignment and transportation problem is that in assignment there is will be always a square problem, that is number of rows will be equal to the number of columns. Whether in transportation it is not mandatory, it may or not may be, right? So in the matrix where you were observing the some digits are written, these are the cost taken by the person to do the particular task. So in this problem, right, you can understand that for example task A के सामने लिखा हुआ है 8, 26, 17 and 11. Subordinate 1, 2, 3, 4. तो subordinate 1 takes 8 rupees to complete the task A. 2 takes 26 to complete the task A. Third takes 17 rupees to complete the task A. And fourth takes 11 rupees to complete the task A. So in this first row, what is the minimum cost? That is, you can easily observe, that is 8. So according to this matrix, the first person should be assigned to do the A task. But we should be careful while allocating the task that it should not be intersecting, that one person can do only one job. It is not possible that one person can do more than one job, right? So in this small problem we can find out, but in the large problems we can not do only by observing. So we will solve this type of problem by the Hungarian methods, that which person should be assigned to the which job or which job should be done by the which person, right? So you all go through the theoretical part of this assignment problem, right class? And in the next video lecture we will do the problem solving related to the same. Thank you all of you.